What is good? Good morning. It's a beautiful Wednesday. And we're back. Yesterday should have had a nice win. Entered too early, got stopped out right before the move happened. So yesterday was a bit of a sour sour experience on my behalf, but we're so close. We are right there. We are in the middle of it. And there's no denying that I'm close. So we're just gonna keep that positivity, keep that confidence that we're going in the right direction, and just keep the belief and follow our rules and make sure we're doing things the best that we can. But today's a new day. Gives us an opportunity to do better, to make better trades, to be more patient, to get better entries, follow our rules, to learn, and that's what we're here to do. We are selling off. We're blasting through supports. You can see these high volume days on the sell-offs. We had this low volume little bounce. We're getting blasted. No two ways about it. We are going to take a little bit of notice to some levels on the hourly time frame here. I do like this little swing low there that also kind of coincides with the high of the pre-market right around that 428.8 or 18, sorry. I'm gonna hop on down into a lower time frame where I'll take a look at the past couple days. So yesterday we had a high here, we had a low here, we have the pre-market, I guess you could call that the pre-market low because it so far is. Pre-market high is right there. We'll mark it. It's pretty much right at that other level that we have, but we'll mark it just for the sake of doing so. A bit of an uptrend overnight, right? From the low of yesterday, we've been setting higher highs and higher lows in the pre-market. We're approaching that 428 level. Could definitely see a rejection up there. We could see a break and continuation, excuse me. So some things to watch. We are kind of in between levels right now. We're within yesterday's range. Typically could lean towards a bit of a choppier day if we maintain price within yesterday's range. Hopefully we get some nice good moves. Had to get some water in. Had to get that water, brother. All right. We are going to just do a little bit of a zone here. Cool stuff. We definitely have a little bit of a little zone to watch up in here, huh? If we look at yesterday's trading and today's price action, aligning with the pre-market high and that level from a few days ago. Actually, I think I'm going to remove this, because that is a pre-market level from a few days ago. Yeah, we had some beautiful price action yesterday to the downside. Missed out on a few of those. But it is what it is. Today's a new day. I'm gonna close some blinds. Good morning, Gil. I'm gonna close some blinds in my room. I got a crazy glare on my screen right now. If I can't get some people in our voice chat here. We're just about set to get going on the day. All right. So what are we looking at here? We got, I guess more accurate, we just start from here. We have this downtrend here. And we have a little bit of an uptrend here. Which way do we break? Which way? Market opens in about 2 minutes, so I am going to start getting some things set up here. But that's a bit of an interesting little position that we're in. We have a support from yesterday's low going through the pre-market. We also have that resistance coming from pre-market a few days ago and throughout. If we do break the resistance, that also coincides with the pre-market high and a zone from yesterday, supply zone. I'll hop in the voice chat. What's up, Josh? How you doing?
Good. Hey, my bad on ditching yesterday. I got super busy.
No, you're good,
after,
brother.
I had one call. I had a meeting at 10, and then after that, I just got flooded with other things that bosses needed me to do.
No worries, man. I understand. I'm salty. Yesterday I had a perfect setup and I just blew it.
What happened?
Oh, I just took an entry on a bear flag break and I just entered too soon, and like the premium was same day expiration, so the premiums were moving, and then we pushed up and got like a retest, but that retest stopped me out, and then it immediately like went right to where I wanted. I just entered too early, and then I got stopped out on the retest, and then it pushed down to my target. It was a bummer.
Dang, dude.
Yeah, I posted it in the losses. It's like, oh, it hurts, dude. If you look at it, it's like too perfect. I shouldn't have got stopped out, but I did. It was just a bad.
Is it because you had a stop loss put in?
Yeah, I was watching the contract, and I was like, all right, we're pushing up above this level. Like, I already have a decent amount of loss, and so I just cut it, and then it went right where I wanted it to. It's all good. It was just, I had the right idea, just bad execution, you know. Just poor timing on it.
I hear you on that one, dude, for sure. Don't want to be that guy when I say this, but yesterday was the best trading day I've ever had.
No, I saw you hit that banger, dude. That's excellent. Look, I want everybody to win. I'm salty that I lost, but I'm happy that you won, you know. There can be both. I'm not a hater.
I appreciate that.
That's sweet though, dude. You said like almost 100% return on that shit.
Yeah.
Was that runners or just your whole everything?
No, that was just I did two yesterday. I got a 92% return on the first one I did, and if you look at the 15-minute on SPY, if you look at that runner from 9:45 all the way down to the runner at about 10:10
Okay.
on the 5-minute,
Yeah.
I caught about midway through the first one at around 9:45, and I ran that for about 30 minutes down, that entire one down. I would have made a little bit more, but yeah,
That's beautiful.
dude, I've never timed anything like that I've never timed anything like that more perfect. It was insane, dude.
I'm
And
happy
then
here.
I caught a little end of day one too, where I made like another 50% profit on.
Damn.
I think it was the one around 3:15.
Okay.
I think that was it. It was like 3:15ish. It was like the one, or like that end of day run. So I mean, it was. I'm trading with this. Like I said, I'm trading with a super small account. So I think I only made like 120 yesterday. But like
That's a good day.
between the two, between the 92% profit in the first one and the 50% profit on the second one, I think my account said I averaged like a 70% return for the day. I'm like, all right, that'd be nice.
Yeah, that's really nice. That's huge, dude.
Mike
That's
was
awesome.
like, I should have thrown 10K on that. I'm like, dude, you would have been able to retire.
Yeah. I just got to find one of those Splunk 22K to 10 mil deals, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, seriously.
One of those
Dude, I wanna
overnight
start figuring
changers.
I want to start figuring out how to run Tesla, because if you look at what Tesla's doing right now, man, I'm like, that would be sick if you would have gotten on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, Tesla moves crazy. If you're on the right side of Tesla, you can make insane money. But if you're on the wrong side, it can blow you out too. It just moves so fast.
Really?
I mean, yeah, it's like you just get volatile movements. So like large swings in whatever direction. But like if you're right, you make a ton of money. If you're wrong, I mean, you can have stop losses, which will help, but it just moves really fast. The contracts
Those
move
stop
fast.
losses will hit you quick.
I mean, yeah, that's
Like it.
it's a different beast. Just how fast it moves compared to like it'll swing like $10 on open, you know? It'll just rally and you're like, okay. So it's like a little different than SPY. SPY takes its time, you know, it might take 20 minutes to move $1. Tesla will move $1 in like 2 seconds. So
That's what I'm looking at right now, man. Like, it opened at 244, 34-ish. And I mean, it's down to 242. It just went from 240. It went from 242.90 to like 243.20. Now it's at 242.50. I'm like, bro, what the heck?
yeah, it moves.
Ray is the one that likes Tesla, right?
Yeah, Ray likes it. He likes it on Friday because the expiration or the same day expiration and the contracts are cheap.
I got to circle over to SPY real quick. I got a support line drawn. I don't know if you have that. I got a support line drawn around 426.
Yeah, I have one
Like
at
right under that.
I have 425.8, so right under there.
Okay, so where pretty much you have it drawn where the market closed yesterday.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Okay.
It's from
That
the
is a
daily
solid
time
resistance
frame,
line too.
but
Support line. I got another drawn at 428.
I have a decent little support that was drawn from the low of yesterday, and then from kind of the little bounce off the pre-market and the low of the day so far on the open, on like the 5 minute.
425.
No, it's like a trend line. It's not like a horizontal support. But if you just take like the bottom of yesterday's trading price and then like trace it to basically like the low of this current candle, or on the 5 minute.
Okay.
And it bounced in the pre-market too, so it's holding up so far. I'm watching to see if we break that trend line for a potential move downwards. Breaks 428.10, I'm long. If it breaks, sorry, I'm reading a message in my chat. If it breaks 426.63, I'm short. 426.63, where are we here? In there. I have the exact same level to the upside as you, Gil. To the downside, is that based on like yesterday? 426.63. Somewhere in there. Oh, fair enough.
Yeah, we might continue to see a downtrend right now.
We're testing that trend line that I have right now. Just kind of broke out of it. Man, how many days can we just sell off? It's kind of crazy. It's like I don't want to get too like comfortable just being like, oh, we're just gonna sell off today. But that's pretty much every day the past week. Just look for flags. Seems like
this is a strong one.
Seems like every day we just have flag breaks and just sell offs. Yeah, we're holding that 427.
Dude, Tesla's going nuts right now. Yeah, we broke that trend line. If we come up and get a retest of the trends, it's like right around 427. If we get a little retest, I might look for a position. We'll see though. We got no news today. Nothing coming out, which is kind of nice. What kind of position are you thinking?
I'm looking at a 426 put if we stay below this trend line. If we look like we're breaking below it pretty strongly. We'll see here. So we broke below it. Come up to retest that like 427. We'll see if we get a nice retest. I might take a position.
I gotta put in right now just because like that current candle or the one that I think just closed, that looks pretty strong. I didn't even see the volume yet though.
Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish on the 15-minute too. Long upper wick, closed like at the bottom of the candle. I guess it's not closed yet on the 15-minute, but oh yeah, we're selling a little bit. I don't know if we'll get the retest that I want. We'll see though. We'll be patient.
I wonder. I mean, based on there is no evidence to support this. But like you said, though, like there has to be. I mean, we can't just continue to sell off every single day. Like there has to be. We have to have a solid balance at some point, right?
We had that,
And
what,
I'm
2 days
curious.
ago? We had like a little bit of a relief bounce, but it was a low volume day, and we just sold right through it yesterday. But yeah, I mean, there'll be some bounces in there.
Oh yeah, I mean Monday was a major call day for sure.
Yeah, Gil, I see that support you're talking about. I'm looking at that 15-minute, just that area that we had from yesterday's session through the pre-market. We're kind of sitting, holding that area right now, so there's a little like support right around like 426.63. We're kind of sitting right at it. Still in those puts, Josh?
Yeah, I mean, I'm in this positive right now. Depending on how this candle closes, though, I may hop out.
You know, we're coming up to retest that trend line, but we also held a little support, so wow, what a bounce out of that area. We'll see. Still making lower highs though. Could pull right back. Jeez, alright.
Okay. Yeah, I'm holding on those puts. See, this is the exact reason why, like, I don't like stop losses, especially if I'm watching it, because like if this bounces all the way back down, if I would have had a stop loss in, that would have eaten away at like my potential profit, and I'd have to put right back in and possibly lose money, knowing that if this goes all the way back down, then this is going to be a strong indication that we're going to be bearish today. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's yeah, I guess there's multiple ways you can do a stop loss, like just through price action or like visible levels. And then there's like, obviously you can have like percentage based, or like whatever, like your amount that you're willing to risk, like a number. Sometimes I do a mix of both. If I have like a clear indication of like where I'd want to cut it, I'll just use price action. But sometimes I'll just use like a percentage based on like the move that I'm expecting. If I'm expecting like a dollar move, then I'll risk, you know, like 20 to 30 cents of a move in the opposite direction, if that makes sense.
Very, yeah.
The 427 is holding pretty well. Also, that was kind of a price that we were bouncing around yesterday too. I mean, we had a bounce directly from 427 on yesterday's sell-off. Those whole numbers, man, they're no joke.
Seriously. I hope Mike's listening when you say that. Me and him were joking about it a couple days ago.
Yeah.
I told him what you said.
I mean, nothing's ever 100%, but more often than not, price reacts to whole numbers. Oh, we're breaking down a little bit here. Oh my.
Let's go. Keep that going. I keep muting because there's a lot of background noise. Kids are leaving the house and it's never quiet, so 1 second.
You're all good. I think for me to short, I want to see us break this low of day. We are retesting that trend line, but we already broken it and retested and rallied above it, and it doesn't seem to be respecting that as much on the 5 minute. On the 15 minute, maybe more so in terms of candle body, but
Let's see.
a little bit choppy, kind of just like this back and forth, down and up. I want to see a break either to upside above the pre-market high or below today's low.
Do you eventually want to do this stuff full time, or do you kind of like what you do and you just want to keep doing like day trading as like a side?
I mean, the goal is to do this full time. If I could trade, stream, and just do that full time, that would be excellent. But yeah, I'm taking I'm taking my time with it, I guess. I feel like I'm making progress, but certainly not ready for that jump. I mean, I'm still trading with very small amounts, but yeah, that eventually is the goal. I like what I do, so I don't mind like taking my time to learn trading, or but nah, I don't know. If I think about like 30 years of working for companies and bosses, that kind of depresses me. And 30 years isn't even like a long time. Like most people work like 40, 50 years. So I don't know. I was just thinking about that. I was like, dude, I don't even know what I want to be doing in like 5 years from now. So. But yeah, no, I don't mind my work. I have a good gig, so I don't hate it. I'm not like trying to rush out of my job necessarily. How about yourself? You're trying to do this?
Yeah, I'm really trying to like hop into it because it's cool. I mean, what I do, but I mean, I also like the freedom that this offers too.
Mm-hmm.
When you figured it all out, it's nice. I think the guy that I get a lot of my training and information from, like waking up at 7 a.m, getting some prayer and some reading in, or just some silence or whatever, and then charting, and then and then hitting the markets for an hour, making whatever your goal is, like $500 for the day, or 1,000, or 5,000 for the day, or 10,000, whatever it is, and then hitting the gym after that. It sounds really good.
I mean, that's the life, yeah. Yeah, it'd be great. Right now, I feel like, I mean, I do it and I like it, but I feel like I'm pretty busy now between work and this. So I wake up at like 6 a.m. to shower and make coffee and everything, and then chart and get ready. And I like trade for an hour, work for 8 hours, get off work, and then it's like go to the gym or like get do chores, and then it's like make the recap video. It just feels like my weekdays are very busy, very full.
For real, absolutely.
So it'd be nice if I could like focus on just like trading and then like living my life. But like I said, it's not bad. It feels pretty good to have a busy day, as long as you don't hate what you're doing. But sometimes I just like forget. Yeah. Like I have friends visiting this weekend, and I just completely forgot until like yesterday. I was like, oh my god, dude, they're here in like 2 days. And I completely forgot. My mind is just elsewhere.
That's awesome, man. Hope you guys have a good time.
Yeah, there's some good friends from like childhood, so it should be a fun time.
I mean, you said you grew up in Washington,
Grew up in Alaska.
right? Grew up in Alaska. That's what it was. Okay. You went to. I'm sorry. And then you went to college in Oregon, and then
Yup.
you lived in Washington for a little bit, and then now you live where you do. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's okay.
This price action is pretty brutal. We're just hanging out. Not much direction.
Honestly, I'm not surprised after a day like yesterday.
Yeah, and we're within yesterday's range too.
It seems like the past couple times within the last week or so, when we've had a huge volatile day, like the next day we're sideways for like 2 hours. I feel like.
Yeah, hopefully there's an opportunity today.
Yeah, I hope I'm wrong when I say that we're going to be sideways today. I hope I'm wrong.
Me too. That's like what Ray and I always joke about. It was like I trade the first hour of the day, and it seemed like the past, I don't know, for the past like week or so, like as soon as I'd get off to go to work, then the market would start moving. It was like I'd be like, all right, guys, I'm getting off. It's a choppy morning. Like 2 minutes later, we get a crazy move.
Yes, seriously. Yeah, and it like not only that, but like it's like an A+ setup too, where like
Yeah.
you'll get these gravestone dojis like 3 in a row, and then all of a sudden it just tanks.
That's just my service to everybody else who's trading.
Yeah,
It's my
you're,
contribution.
you crawl so we could walk.
It's honest work.
You're like, it ain't much, but it's an honest day's work.
Gil said yesterday I waited around a little longer than usual yesterday to catch a move, and then I just messed it up, so that was a real bummer. I saw a move forming out and I waited longer than I usually do, and I missed it. Well, I got stopped out. But yeah, typically it's like, I don't know. When I first started trading, like the first hour of the day was usually the most volatile. Like the best moves were in the mornings, but
Hey, by the way, when did you start the actual, like before you started the Discord channel and you got just like that group together, the initial group?
yeah.
When did that start?
Oh, not very long ago. I've only been doing this for like less than 3 months, so
So you were probably doing a lot on your own before you even started like streaming and getting a group together.
yeah, yeah, for sure. I mean, I traded here and there for a while, but like never was really very consistent with it. I'd say
And
consistently, I've been doing it for like a couple months now.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I can speak on behalf of Mike too when we say this because we talk about it at work. Like we love this group community that's in. It's like it's very accountable. I mean, it's like when you get that group feeling, like I feel like it would be easier because I've spoken to multiple people who've been like, yeah, good luck with day trading, Josh. Like it's hard, man, and you're just it can literally just like, you know, tip your life upside down, stuff like that. I'm like, that's cool going on. I mean, I don't need that negativity, but I mean, that's cool though. But I feel like being in this community with you guys, it's like there's accountability there where it kind of makes it a little bit harder to just walk away on a bad day. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, no,
Not
I
like
enjoy
you're
it.
requiring a check-in or anything like that. It's just like when you're talking to someone a group of dudes every single day, it's like habit forming. You know what I mean?
Definitely. No, I think it's great. I don't know. Like the whole streaming and everything, I pretty much just did it so that I would have recordings of like everything I did. so that I could like review and learn from it. And I was like, if people are interested, that's a bonus. But really, I'm just trying to learn. But yeah, it's become kind of more than what I initially imagined, which is really cool. Like, I love it. It is a lot of fun to interact and have a group of people, like a community to bounce ideas off of, or like, you know. And it's cool too because
Straight
like
up, man.
different people. Ray Ray hops in the chat and says just spy with a sad face. Ray, I know, dude, that's so funny.
Ray, where you at, dude?
He's probably trading an actual stock. It's so funny because in the morning when we were, Gilsay put in a put on the break of that support. I'd like to get a retest, but we might not. That's so funny. Ray, I thought of you when we were doing this all morning. That's the only thing I could think of. I was like, dude, Ray is probably just shaking his head right now. You still holding those puts, Josh? They got to be moving now for you.
I'm selling. Wait.
We might come down to like 426 now that we broke that support. I would hold on a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe trim some.
Yeah, I think I'm going to.
You could trim some, but I would hold some runners. We're not done.
I only got one in.
Gotcha.
We were sideways, but I only put one in because we weren't showing. We weren't showing support one way or the other. But like I did see, like you said, that like we were hitting those lower lows. Like the EMA was going down. I'm like, I could see us going down, so I'm gonna put a put in just to get some good pricing in. So I'm sitting around 29% right now, so we'll see.
That's not bad at all.
And myself.
I want to see us get a retest of the previous day, or not the previous day, the previous low of day, right around like 426.65. If we can maintain below that, okay. We got a higher volume break. If we can come up and get a retest, give me a nice entry. I'm getting in there.
You want it to come up so that way you can get like and then throw a put in?
Yeah. I don't really trade breakouts. I trade the retest from a breakout. So like we broke out of support right there. You know, we broke down. I wouldn't take a trade on that break. I would wait for us to come up and retest that area. But yeah, you do get a really good fill if you get it on a retest. Also, your stop loss is like really close, so it's pretty low risk. It's just like that's what happened to me yesterday. Is I took entry on a position when we broke out of that bear flag, but the contract premium was already like pretty juiced up. So when we came back for the retest, I was down like 15% already. And I was like, oh shit, that's pretty much like where I like to have my stop loss. I don't want to lose like more than like 20% is like a big loss, you know? So
yeah, that's massive. So
when we came up and we were like retesting, I was just already like, it was like over 15% drawdown. And so I was like, shit, I don't want to hold and take like a 30% loss or something. But yeah, all I'm trying to say is I enter on the retest. So here we might get the retest right here. We're pushing up.
You anticipating that we might go up and back around 426.90?
Around like 426.6 or so. I mean, shit, we might not get it. Here we go, but we'll see. I'm just trying not to do what I did yesterday because that burnt me and that sucked.
If we don't see, so if we don't see a strong push up here, we might see a continued breakdown, right?
I mean, yeah, I have a support at 425.8, so I would at least target like 426. I don't see any reason why we would like bounce from where we're at. I mean, there is a pre-market low level at 426.18.
Good morning.
So Ray, you come in here laughing at us?
Baby. No, that's your reaction is so delayed, man.
How you doing, Ray?
Good, brother. Good, man. Caught a little nice Apple move here, man.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I exited a little early. I was up way too much for my liking. You know, it's just like a straight downtrend here.
Yeah.
I don't want to get greedy, so I just kind of exited the whole position. Because remember that gap, man, it's 170 to 167. I don't know. I don't think we feel that today. I think we get teased for a little bit. I think we feel Thursday, Friday.
Okay.
Remember, we have important news coming out Thursday, Friday. So.
Do you know what that is,
What's coming
Ivan?
out Thursday, Friday?
It's I posted it, man. It's let me see.
Oh shit! Did I just miss it?
Important fucking news.
We got jobless claims. Oh, GDP.
Yeah,
On Thursday.
GDP and
Powell speaks on Thursday too.
and core PCE too.
Yeah, and Powell speaks. Damn.
Yeah.
But that's like after the market's closed.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Dang, I definitely got out early, man. Fuck, I should have held this.
Yeah, I didn't get in on. I was waiting for a retest, and we're just selling down here.
Yeah.
Ray, help me explain this. Why
What's up, bro?
are the premiums on Tesla so expensive? Because I just looked at it, man. I'm like one contract is costing like $350.
Oh, because
And
you
that's
gotta
what-
remember.
that's what-
Do you remember the split when they did the Tesla split?
No. Mm-mm.
Yeah, so Tesla split, man. The stock split. That's why they're so expensive still. I know, like the stock itself isn't expensive anymore. You know, they did a split. I don't know how long ago. Do you remember that, Ryan? When they did the split?
I think they've done 2 splits.
2? I remember only 1. Shit, 2. God, they probably did.
Since- Well,
I think it was 2020 or 2021 they did a Tesla split. They did a
Yeah.
Shopify split. They did a bunch of splits. Amazon. But to be honest, man, I'm not really well versed as far as like terminology goes and why, you know, the premiums are as much. I'm just a fucking technical trader, man. You know what I mean? I just trade. I don't really know much, but I know that the company still has still valued pretty high. That's why those premiums are so damn high. That's why I always yell about Tesla Fridays, man. Oh my gosh, Josh, you would love Tesla Fridays, bro. I swear to you.
you're not
Cash the
convincing.
fuck out. I have not lost a Tesla Friday and have not it's crazy. I just love Tesla Fridays, bro. Like you get those moves that you want, you know, because Tesla moves. So if you get like those breaks or those dojis, you know, like you get those moves, they're gonna happen. You know, and then the contracts are so cheap, man. They're like they pretty much cost like as much as an at the money SPY call or put would like today, you know, same day expiration. So, but just with Tesla moves, so you make a lot of money, man.
Dude. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Hold up for a
You
second.
gotta- yeah,
Can you guys pull up multiple different stocks at one time?
yeah. That's the plus to Thinkorswim. You can have like 50 charts
Okay.
if you wanted. Yeah.
I'm looking at Apple. I'm looking at Tesla.
Yeah. Are they moving
QQQ.
similar?
Yeah, dude, all of them.
All.
But SPY has not done that yet.
That's why I
SPY
don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand.
What, like breakdown?
Yeah, because it's a massive sell-off. All of them are selling off big time right now.
Apple's
Tesla's
just-
not.
Jesus. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah,
I was just
dude.
thinking out loud. I was just thinking out loud.
No, yeah, you're good. I'm just thinking. I'm like, bro, if SPY ever follows suit with like what Apple does with Tesla, but like we might see a breakout of or a breakdown of SPY here in a minute.
Like a hard one, yeah, because even
Because
Nvidia is
look-
getting slammed.
Look at QQQ. That too.
I think QQQ has a better movement. Has had better movement too. Apple. Oh dang, top 10 hold. I forgot Apple. What is Microsoft doing? Because I know Apple and Microsoft carry
down
and
a little
Nvidia
bit.
carrying. Yeah.
It's not as much as like Apple or Tesla. Dude, damn, I just did not get an entry on this position.
Bro, you know it's weird. I caught this like almost like a flag break off like posted pre-market on Apple. If you look at it like on the 15 or the hourly, if you want to just take a quick look, I just kind of played. I played that today this morning. That's what I played.
What is it on the 5 minute? You said?
I took it off the 15, but like from
Oh, I see it
yesterday's
on the
close
5 minute.
on the 15. You look from yesterday like close to like
Yeah.
today open. Yeah, and on a 15, like I got a premature entry, but like I played it. I should have played it off that doji on the 15 as a 3-bar play. So that big red candle, the doji off the open, and then the retest of that trend, and then took it there.
Yeah.
But I kind of got in early, but still I just got out like not. I got out like at 171, and
All
got
right.
in that early. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice.
It's
That's a
good
nice
move.
trade.
Yeah, good move. But definitely a little premature.
Damn, we're coming down to hit my target, bro. All right, I might have to adjust my. I might have to start using the 2 minute for some entries. I feel like I miss out on a lot waiting on the 5 minute. I just watched that whole trade happen. I wanted to see a break, go down to hit my target. It's like doing exactly what I want. I just didn't get the entry.
That sucks on SPY.
Yeah.
Obviously, right? Well, I shouldn't even ask that at this point. Let me see what you're looking at. I think I'm done for today, man. I took a nice one. Could have been better, but I hate that feeling when like that shit never goes away. I've been trading for 2 years, and I still feel like I'm being greedy at any time. Like anytime I feel like I'm like letting a winner run, I'm just like, am I being greedy?
Yeah.
It's like it's just intrusive thoughts, man. There's a kind of like a little flag break there too on the 2 minute, man, on SPY.
Yep.
Is that what you were looking at as well?
We're gonna fill that gap in a minute.
Not
dude.
quite. I was looking at that break of the day's low around like 426.6 ish. 426.6.
Look, I'm looking at your stream right now, so I can see exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Talking about that green zone you had.
Yeah, we had that low a day
Okay.
where we found support, and then we came down and we broke it, and then we
Oh, that was a
came
nice
up and kind of retested here. Not quite, but
Nice rejection off that zone above you had. I was at pre-market high.
up here.
Dang, dude.
Oh, it's the yellow one, I think. That kind
Yeah,
of like-
yellow is pre-market high. Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. That was a nice little a rejection off that.
Yeah.
If SPY screws up my trade right here, bro, I might.
Are you still?
This
Are
is
you in
frustrating.
one? I thought you took profit.
I did, and I rebought some puts at the bottom of that on the 5 minute at the bottom of that 10 o'clock candle,
Got you.
because I'm looking and I'm like everything is massively selling off right now. I'm like, I don't see why SPY wouldn't.
Man, I should have held that.
And plus-
put, bro.
We're sitting right at 426 though, and you know about those whole numbers.
Yeah.
39. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't believe it's running off like this, bro. If it fills a gap today, I'm gonna cry, man.
Ray, you gotta just get. You just gotta get away, man. Take your win and
I
run.
really,
That's gonna be Gravestone,
bro.
Don't give it
If
back.
we fill the gap today, bro, I don't know. I'm gonna just blow. I'm just gonna throw in like my entire account into a trade.
No.
Both long term and
Dude's
short
not the risk at all.
Yo. Oh man, I'm over here because I had no, and I should have trusted myself. Look, all my alert just went off for that gap too, bro.
See another
Man, I'm-
Gravestone, buddy. Like, what are we
I'm
doing?
gonna lose my shit. I had no support between 171 down to like 170, where the gap would start. And I'm thinking like maybe I missed something. I wasn't trusting myself. I don't know why. I was like, I didn't chart anything. I didn't have anything. I don't have
what if
anything,
you-
bro. Oh, dude.
God. Which one are you looking at right now, Ray?
Oh, I'm looking at Apple. Sorry, Apple.
Yeah, dude. Dude.
Oh man. Oh, bro. Don't. Please, bro.
I
Okay,
opened
have
that
a
chart
zone
and
here.
it just looks like
Yeah,
a
okay.
falling knife. I was like, oof.
You know what? I mean, you can. Why don't you move over to SPY? And because
It just-
SPY hasn't
just
broke out yet,
ignore
but I think give it, bro. Like I think in 5 to 10 minutes, bro. we might
All right,
break
you're right.
on
You're right.
SPY.
That's a good idea. Okay, I do have a zone here. Okay, never mind. It might bounce off this zone.
In Spy
It's like
or
a
Apple?
no Apple.
Gotcha.
Apple. There's the zone there from I don't know 5. What? April from April. Started in April. Okay. Hopefully we bounce off that because if I keep looking at this, I'm gonna be sick to my stomach. Yeah. Let's buy. Okay, it's a nice little bounce there. All right, cool. Oh, please don't fill that gap, man. Please don't. That's a move. Be sick. Alright, we're looking at SPY. What we got here? Oh, that was a nice breakdown. But it was a little delayed, right? Like that was a little delayed.
It was definitely after everything else was selling off.
Yeah. What's the next level you guys got here? I got 425, like 70-ish.
I got
Yeah,
425.8 is where I'm at.
Okay.
So we're kind of like right at it.
Same. Yeah. I mean, honestly, bro, I always give like a plus or minus like 10 cents.
For sure.
Truthfully, every time I look at any level, whether
Yeah.
it's like on point or not.
It is nice when it like bounces by the perfect cent.
Perfectly, bro. I've been
Yeah.
getting a lot of those, man. It feels so great. You're just like, wow, I'm doing something right.
Yeah. Yesterday there was a rejection and it happened like to the cent off a level I was watching and I didn't catch it because I didn't expect it. Like I was like, oh, we'll come up here and like retest. It like as soon as it touched it for a second and just rejected and I was like, damn, all right. It happened way too
That's,
quick.
Yeah. Sometimes like we're so used to the market being so complicated that when those easy moves just happen, you just don't trust it.
Yeah, dude, I was like really patient yesterday. I waited so long to get a setup and then I just screwed
I'm
up.
hoping all the retail traders that won't like pay attention to the RSI are like buying up Apple right now. Just run it up a little bit for me, please.
What do you guys hear on
Alright.
SPY? Because I keep seeing, I'm just seeing just these gravestone dojis that are indicating that it's going to get bearish. But
We're sitting
not
right
sure
at
what
that
time
like
frame you're looking
support
at.
though. I mean,
Oh, I
we
see that gravestone.
if you look at the 2
I
minute though, we've touched that level like 4 times and haven't broken it. I think we get a little bit of a relief bounce. I mean, we could just sell through.
Also, that's why like trading SPY, I always had like individual charts up too, because those move first and then SPY follows suit. Because remember, it's an ETF, so you kind of catch those moves a little bit. Like you can time those moves a little bit if you're looking at the individuals. Sometimes you just take a look because if those are
what
moving, then,
individuals?
Apple, Microsoft, like the top 4, I would say. So that's what I would watch: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia, and just kind of like see those are moving and be like, okay, SPY has to follow suit. There's no way it doesn't, because those
Right,
carry
so,
most
like,
of the weight.
All of those are breaking down. So I'm like, you'd expect a huge sell-off on SPY, right?
Right, but
Within a
it's
couple
weird how
minutes.
SPY isn't though. Like SPY is not. It's not moving as viciously.
I'd say yeah,
But
QQQ
that little bounce.
responds a little better to those tech stocks.
Yeah, because QQQ is like mainly tech, right?
Yeah,
I think, if I'm not mistaken.
yeah, it's like the tech heavy.
Okay. Yeah.
What's Facebook doing
See,
right now?
Dude, I haven't looked at. Oh my gosh, I haven't looked at it in a minute.
Or
I'll take a look for you. I charted this out a while ago, but I'll take a look. Let's see.
same thing, dude. Major sell-off. I actually had a little bit of relief bounce there, but
Yeah, there's a little
Still-
bounce there off a 298 level that I have on Meta. That's what you asked for, right? Meta.
yeah, Meta.
Okay, yeah. Nice rejection off this though. Yeah, but Meta's been choppy though. I've been watching. I took a peek at the Trade Brigade guy, and he's been showing Meta, and it just looks bad. Very bad.
You've been
Oh.
sniping Apple though. Apple's been like your bread
Oh,
and
man,
butter
that's-
lately.
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, I don't know. I hate sticking to one thing because I don't want to get too comfortable just trading one thing. I feel like I miss stuff that way. It's good to know how it moves, you know? That's like, it's always a good thing. But I feel like when I hyper focus one thing, like I miss so many opportunities. You got to think about how many stocks there are, how many
Yeah.
plays there are in each of those, for every like 5 minutes. So,
I
okay,
just-
there's a bounce on Apple. Yes.
Yeah, we're getting a bounce on SPY.
Oh my gosh, bro. I did not want it to just smash down and oh god. Josh. Oh my god. Sound like such a hater right now. um yeah, but if you guys ever want, like if I'm not like in anything, I can watch. That's why I always give those call outs to you, bro. I'm not really kind of telling you to trade Apple, but I give the call outs to you so you kind of like have a sense of like a possible move.
For sure.
But yeah, that's why I do it, man. Truly, that's the only reason why I call those things out for Apple sometimes.
I should start just like looking. Just I mean, it doesn't hurt to pay attention and watch.
Yeah, have a smart little side chart.
Yeah.
Small one.
Hop it
I'm so
up.
glad we're getting a bounce.
I stepped away. How's Spy looking?
It's getting a bounce off that level. That like 426.84 is where it bounced off of. It's pushing up towards 426.5.
I'm still holding on those puts though.
Wait, you're still in a position, Josh?
Yeah, I got.
Okay,
I got
you should
three
be
puts
you
in.
should be good, right?
Right now, I
Like,
am. I
you're-
mean,
Okay.
if it bounces to like 429, I'm gonna be like sloth and just
Yeah.
lose my mind. But
I got one put right here on the retest of that level.
You just got into that?
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay. Yeah, Josh. Josh is gonna be my duo for Tesla Fridays watch. Oh man, we're gonna kill that shit. We're gonna get rich on Fridays only.
Only Fridays.
we'll
Make
make like
small
20
losses.
bucks Monday through Thursday, and then 10 grand
Yeah,
Fridays.
yeah, bro. I kid you not. I think the craziest one I had, I just threw in a random like, this is forming a flag. I'll throw it in. Where I threw in like way out of the money. I think I threw in like $300. Bro, it turned into like 2,000. I kid you not.
That's
I was
crazy.
like, I'm like, no way.
Now, Ray, you do this full time, right?
Yeah. I just kind of gave up what I was doing before to do this full time though. Like I've been trading for a while. Not like a long time, but I kind of just I had this like bad experience with my business maybe like 2 months ago, and I kind of just put that business aside, man, and just been doing this. But honestly, a lot of my like money like has been coming from this for the past like year.
Ooh, we got a big bounce on
Holy
Spy.
big candle. Yes, the gap's not gonna be filled. But yeah, man, I'm doing this full time now, like officially. Gary, it was a risk, but I have my ways of securing everything. But luckily, I have money
Damn.
to I have money to fall back on and stuff, man. Things go wrong.
Oh, dang, dude, that sucks.
I might have entered puts a little
no,
early
wait,
on
not-
this.
Oh shit! I forgot you guys were in pits. No.
That's all good.
I was.
Fuck, I forgot.
I'm probably gonna cut here
Nah,
soon.
I'm
I'm
over here
watching.
happy. I'm over here praising the bounce because I don't want that gap to be filled.
No, you're good.
My boys are in puts. Oh,
I
what
want-
a dickhead I am.
No, you're good. I wanted a retest of that
You guys
zone.
have like a visual stop loss or like an idea of where you would not want to be in?
Yeah, it's right now. It's rejecting off that 427. So as long as we stay like rejecting off that, we're chilling.
Here, let me look at. I'm gonna pull up Spy as well and watch
Yeah,
this.
we're
and I'll
pushing
have,
down.
like,
I'm like right at my
Yeah.
entry price right now, so I'm doing okay. I got a good
give some
entry.
call
At this
outs.
point,
All right.
I'm right or die
so-
at this point, dude, on puts.
All right,
Forget
look,
it.
you guys look so far so good. It's getting rejected off the 21 EMA. It has not gotten above the VWAP, so just a heads up. It is kind of pushing above the VWAP, but it's still rejecting off the 21. So I'm watching this on the 5.
Yeah, we're a
It all
little
comes
bit
down to
above
big
where
boys.
I'd want it.
It all comes down to today.
What the
All the
hell?
chips in on put.
Oh
I'm
shit!
putting all
Today's
the
your
chips in.
day.
He's
Oh,
full port.
Fuck. Oh fuck. But there's still
Yeah.
like that strong 200 EMA, like above on the 2-minute it just got rejected off of a lot of times. So I have, what is this, a 427, 34, and it kind of aligns perfectly with the 200. So that still might be a rejection point. I hate these bounces, man. Oh, I hate these bounces. Just a heads up though, looks like a bull flag forming above on the 5-minute. Heads up. I hope that isn't. Oh, that price action off the open was horrible.
Yeah, we got that little chippity chop.
Ugh. Yeah, that's ugly. Alright. Crazy to me how hard Spy has been, man. Holy, Spy's been rough.
It pisses me off because like I'm looking at Amazon, Facebook,
Everything's
Apple,
moving, right?
Tesla, everything sells off, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go and throw in some
Yeah.
push because everything's selling. I'm gonna try to time this one. Spy's like, yeah, think again, bozo.
Right? I don't understand. That's literally what Spy consists of. There's no way that 1% Google is holding up as Spy, bro. There's no way.
Oh, is Google didn't sell off?
I mean, no, it's kind of like chop. It has a little upwards movement. Yeah, it's looking bullish. I mean, it's not looking horrible. It's kind of off the 200 EMA support. But there's no way Google carries this though like that. Like Apple is 7% of, like
I might be
4%
getting out of my
Microsoft.
put here soon if we break up above 427. Oh, we just like closed right at it. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness. It's just dancing around it.
Yeah, it's above VWAP here, like a stronger green candle above the VWAP and kind of testing the top of the 21 EMA.
We're still kind of getting rejected off that 427 on the 5-minute though.
Yeah, it's like pushing above that little flag I was kind of catching there.
Just a bit of a choppy day here on the Spy. Here we're getting a
Okay,
little bit of a
rejection.
break.
Yeah.
All right.
It's like
all right.
it's wicking above the VWAP, but I feel like the volume, there's not enough volume for it to kind of push up, man. So
Yeah, that volume on
hopefully
that
you
push
guys-
up was
yeah.
real low, super low.
yeah,
I mean, you got that one green candle, but
that might have been like a little snatch and grab for them right there. Big green candle.
A little scalp.
Yes, market makers trying to get their little bread. That green candle was crazy though. That's a huge candle.
What's crazy though is like I had a trend line drawn pre-market,
Mhm.
or like right when I hopped on the, probably close to an hour ago.
oh, we're breaking down, baby. Let's go.
And it-
Oh, keep
Sorry.
pushing, man.
Didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, you're solid.
You got a trend line.
Yeah, let me show you.
Okay, you're gonna post it in the group. Post.
Hold on, I be right back.
We're
Hold on.
bouncing off
Let me-
that little support though. I don't like that. What is going on?
Oh, where do you have your support?
Like 426.6 to 426.7 ish.
Okay, that's kind of where the 9 kind of lines up. To be honest, the 9 EMA.
Oh, we broke down a little bit right here.
Yeah.
We're still sitting at it.
Oh, are you still in though? Do you still have a position
Yeah,
in this
I'm
right
I'm
now?
actually in profit by a little bit right now, so
Okay.
I'm chilling.
Cool.
I just want to see a
I
break
would
of that
say-
support, and I think we make our move, but I don't know.
Oh, that's like a small doji there. It's not an official doji, but it's kind of a doji off a big green candle. So pay attention on this candle moves. That'll be kind of like a telltale sign.
Yeah.
So if this bar is like convincingly red, you know, I think
For
it'll just
sure.
continue. I think the next thing we have to worry about is a double bottom at that level down there.
Yeah, I mean, that's my target, so I'd get out.
Okay.
Looks like we're
Wait,
breaking
wait,
down
when did you enter? Like, when did you get in?
on the
At what like
retest.
price of
Um,
that kind of like bottom zone there?
yeah, we were around
Okay.
like 426.75 or so.
Okay. Not a bad entry then. All right. I thought you got in like at the bottom there or somewhere near the bottom.
No,
All
no,
right,
no.
cool. Let's, oh,
Yeah,
man,
we're
look at this.
selling
Let's
off.
go.
All right, we're targeting that current day low.
You're only one contract in.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking another contract, but I didn't really have a great second entry that I liked, so
Right.
we're just on one contract.
Yeah, you kind of got like the best entry possible, huh, at the time being.
I mean, it was pretty decent. It wasn't a bad fill.
426. It was pretty much like around the top of those like underneath those big green wicks, right?
Yeah,
That area.
yeah. I mean, it pushed up like maybe 20, 25 cents above where I got in at the max.
Yeah.
But I was looking at that 427 to hold because those whole numbers, and we found some support there yesterday as well.
Yeah. I guess maybe that's why there was chop there, indecisiveness
Yeah.
at the whole number. Yeah.
But yeah, I'm just looking for continuation down.
Let's go,
to the,
man. I'm glad this got down.
To the day's low here.
Yeah, this is why I use like those indicators. I don't trust them off that, but like if they support what I'm already seeing,
For sure.
I'm just happy, you know.
Yeah.
That's why right now I was telling you like the VWAP it was not closing above. The EMAs it was getting rejected off of.
But
And then
see,
you
I
have
like
your
hearing
levels
that.
there.
I like hearing that
Yeah,
because I'm not
yeah.
watching that. But if you're like, hey, it's rejecting off the
you're not.
VWAP, I'm like, all right, I like
Yeah.
that. Tell me more.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I know you don't use them, so I'm trying to ease your mind. That's why I said don't panic yet, bro.
Yeah,
You're like,
yeah.
I want to get out of here. I was like, no, wait.
I was gonna get out if it broke above 427 if it looked like a convincing break because I was like, all right, then we're.
Yeah, no, I think I was worried there. There was a little bull flag there. I was kind of worried about that.
That was a. Probably could have waited, but I'm trying something out. I'm looking at the 5 minute and the 2 minute, trying to get my like entries and shit on the 2 minute.
Yeah. 2 minute almost freaked me out today though. I don't know. I'm so glad I had a 15 pulled up. I'm so glad I had like other things pulled up.
I
think
took
if
a
was just
second
looking-
entry here on that retest on 2 minutes. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Oh,
there.
you did? Okay. No, you're good. You're in a trade, man. It's like more important than anything I'm saying.
No, you're good. What were you saying?
Oh shit, what was I saying? I don't even. I forgot. I'm just so glad Apple got that bounce, man. Yes. Fuck.
Oh man,
man.
pushing up. We need this to keep going down here, fellas.
Oh, Spy's bouncing too.
Yeah,
Fuck.
that's what I'm saying.
Dude, what? I was like, how did that happen? Oh, it's a 2 minute that I'm looking at right now. That's kind of scary.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching.
Ooh.
Oh man, it's pushing up. Come on, Spy. It's doing me dirty.
Dude, that was a strong push, like to the upside off that bottom. What the?
Yeah, just like out of
It's like
nowhere.
hanging- yeah, it's hanging above the VWAP here, so it's like right at it.
I mean, the 5 minute looks kind of rough if you're in puts. Here we go, though. I don't know, man. This price action's gonna give me a heart attack.
Yeah. Not lying. I'm not even in the trade. Not gonna feel it.
Oh man,
Let's see
here
what
we
I
go,
can
though. What are these candles?
Like there's a lot of indecisiveness going on right now.
For sure.
Because the data we're getting this Thursday and Friday is going to be like kind of a stamp.
That's true. We might just be getting some chop.
I might swing that Apple gap, man. Truthfully.
SPY needs to figure it out, dude. What are we doing? Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Like, just break down.
Like, it's making my heartburn act up. Feel all sorts of burning in my chest right now looking at that. It's a lower high, lower high, lower high. Cool. I kind of wanted to see a lower high from a lot of these names, but it's just not happening.
Luckily, yeah, my entry's pretty good. I'm sitting like right at my entry price right now, so we'll see. But yeah, it's holding that support. I don't like
Josh
that.
got in like way earlier, right? Josh got in
I
at
think
like.
I think he might have cut that position. I don't know if he's still in that.
Okay.
That was a while back. That was like before we bounced off the bottom. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
We're holding this support though. I really don't like it. I just want to see us break down, but we broke it and then reversed.
Nice red candle. Yeah, that was a mean reversal there. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not liking this price action right at that level.
Yeah, it's crazy. Your level lines up exactly with the 9 EMA. And it's holding that pretty. There's not enough volume here.
I mean, it's making like lower highs.
Yeah, and you're looking at like from open to now.
Yeah, I mean, even just like in the 2 minute, the past couple minutes, it's been making lower highs.
It's not forming anything, right? Oh, let me see what Josh got. Josh, I think is that the trend he was talking about? Where's that trend coming from? Like a longer, like from before?
I'm not sure.
You probably haven't seen it. Oh, just wait.
I saw it pop
See
up,
if
but
I
I'm
can see.
I'm not putting my eyes on it
Yeah,
quite yet.
yeah. No, don't focus on that. Let's see if I can. I think he probably drew that from. A longer kind of, a few days ago. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. You got to explain it to me, Josh. Dude, I'm starving.
Same, man. My stomach just growled right when you said that. That's funny.
Oh.
Oh, here we go. Come on now.
Yeah, but that volume compared to the last 3 green candles. Oh.
I know. Josh, ready to stop.
I'm saying that in hopes that shit just flies up. This big old red candle.
It flies down.
I meant that volume, the volume.
Yeah. I mean, we closed below that level. We opened below it on the 5 minute.
That was a hard retest of that 21 EMA, like a very hard retest. Like it just cannot get above that, so that's a good sign. Yeah, look at that 21 was there.
All right. So we set a lower high. Let's see if we can break this little swing low that we had in that little area we bounced off of. If we get below that, I feel real confident. Oh, there we go.
425. What do you?
There we
what do you have
go.
next, I have 23.
I'm
22.70.
I'm looking at the day's low, so like 425.8.9. I'm trying to target the low a day right now.
Underneath that though, what do you have though as far as like?
Oh, like right around like 425.25 or 425 from yesterday's low. Dude, what? What's going on here?
You know, Spy's not just gonna give it to you like that, man.
No, I know it. It teases you. It bounces around.
Yeah, hard. Like blue balls all the way.
I just realized you guys probably couldn't hear me for like the last 10 minutes.
No, you were muted,
No,
brother.
I thought you were gone. I thought you were like away from the.
No, so that trend line, because I was over here explaining
Yeah.
the trend line, because you're like,
Oh,
you
shit.
gotta explain it to me. I'm like, maybe they
Trying.
Yeah, I didn't. Nah, you're like muted. So, yeah, where's that coming from? It's like from a few days ago, or
That was yesterday, so Tuesday's pre-market high going through where we opened today, which
the
kind
5
of
minute?
yeah, which is interesting though because it did come up and like touch that for a few of those candles right there, so we're kind of still staying under it. It seems like. I was hoping I'd be at the gym by now, but I can't. I can't be lifting like this when it's been in this position.
Oh, when did you get in though? I was asking. You got in a little bit
Oh.
earlier, right? You're still good right now.
No, I'm not. I'm taking a loss right now. I needed to come back down to like. Let's see. I'm
Like the low, maybe.
down. I'm down like 15% right now.
Okay.
So I mean, it's not bad.
No. I
I'm
think
down-
you
I'm
can definitely
down
get
We're
back
coming
to
down
us.
here. This is looking good for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need this volume to pick up for you guys, man. Dude, my stomach is on fire.
These little bounces, though. Man, Spy. I'm about to break up with Spy.
Uh-oh.
About to divorce Spy, dude. Take the kids in the
Yeah,
house.
I went through that. Yeah, kind of took the
Actually-
kids out the house, man.
What I'm saying is Spy's taking my kids and my house and my cars. It's taking my 401k. It's taking...
Oh, shit. Yes, man, I kid you not, it was rough. I like traded with Spy for strictly like 6-7 months, and then I fucking couldn't do it, man. I couldn't fucking do it. Couldn't. I gave
We're
up. I
bouncing
felt
right
like-
off
I felt like a
426.25.
quitter. Is
Hey.
that below you're talking about?
No.
The low
We
was a little bit above, right?
yeah, we set a new low. Well, we're downtrending for sure. But on the 2-minute, we've sat right at that 425 point. We're testing it again. Hopefully we break right here.
I'm getting anxiety. I don't like this.
Dude, for real, this trade is terrible. What is
You
it
guys are
doing
good.
to
I'm
us?
over here like all invested too, emotionally invested in this with you
Yeah.
guys, bro. I'm over here fucking sweating shit, bro. I'm not even.
I want the boys to lose money.
Bro, I hate that. I hate hearing that people are like, oh man, it makes me like, I don't know, it makes me sad.
That's how I
Well,
felt
everything is
yesterday. I felt a little
everything
sad.
is selling off right now anyway.
Yeah, it's
Like
pushing
everything
right
else is.
down.
I mean, we're looking all
You guys
right.
want me to watch anything? Let me check the futures out for you guys. See if that.
We're
Usually
hanging on.
Watch those.
There we go. There's that break. Come
Get
on.
that push.
Yeah, we got that little push. Little volume came in. I just need to see it hit that 426.
You don't think you can get more than that?
I mean, I'll at least take one off. I have two contracts.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, if you see that bounce off that bottom, man, be careful.
But also, I mean, shit, it's getting time where I need to go to work.
Oh,
Right now, work pays the bills, not trading, so I gotta prioritize.
Absolutely.
All right, we're pushing down though. We're looking pretty decent.
Yeah, it's looking good. Good.
Little tasty little treat for us in the day here.
Whoa.
Come on, Spy.
Are you almost at break even here, Josh?
Yeah, just about. I mean, I was down like $75 earlier. Now I'm down
Yeah.
like 15.
Good, man. Fuck. Are you one contract in too? How many contracts you?
3.
Okay. You're holding all 3.
Yeah, I mean, at least until
Okay.
I'm in the green. I mean, I got them divvied up right here, so at least until I'm in the green on them.
Yeah.
But I mean, like by the way we're trending right now, I'm hoping I can at least try and make some profit in.
Yeah.
Yeah, Apple's down below 171.
Where'd this level come from? What the? Yo, that is spot on. I have this long term. Oh, what the? That's spot on. Holy shit. I have like a long term chart for SPY that's just strictly like long term moves. And this is like on point. What the? Alright, cool. Good to know. I think you have that one charted too. I think that's the one you're talking about.
Oh, it's getting close.
My man Ryan is gonna just run away, and never look back.
Bro, I'm gonna go make myself a pot of hot coffee. Start my work
And
day with a
relax.
smile on my face.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about, man. So Josh should be like in the green at the bottom of that, or just about break even.
We keep we're struggling around that 426 though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we broke through it once and immediately climbed back up, and we touched it right at
I don't like this action. Come on now.
Just cannot
Yeah.
just fucking happen, huh? Just fucking happen.
All right, I'm gonna de-risk. I took one off on this little bounce. Oh my gosh, we're pushing up here. Look at this shit, dude. You can't make this up.
You're like, how many more retests? They're like, we need.
It's time to pull out the old fib.
Dude, that bounce. I'm almost at like my entry price now off that bounce. I went from being like way in profit to... I hate SPY, dude. It's just killing me. I'm not gonna blame SPY, but I am.
I mean, you really can. Like, you really can.
Well, so SPY is defying like everything that makes sense. Where you had these in any given day, what do 3 gravestone dojis tell you? It's about to drop. Right?
Yeah. Yeah,
No,
I would see it.
it's like,
as
no, I'm gonna go ahead and go bullish from here. When all these indicators were showing that it was gonna drop, you had these gravestone dojis, you got all the top companies, those were all selling off. I mean, plummeting.
All right. I took profit down, well, when we started to bounce, and then I set stop on the, at break even on my other, so it just stopped me out at break even. Dude, what a shit little trade. I sat around that long for that fucking bullshit. Come on now.
Fuck. Yo.
I mean, it's coming down now, but I'm not
No, I
trusting the
feel
way it's moving,
it's-
man. I don't like it.
No, I feel it 1000%. That's why
Okay.
I'm laughing. I think
And
I
now
was
it's
literally
selling
saying
off. Now it's selling off, of course. Look at this shit, dude.
You closed you closed everything?
Yeah, I took one for decent profit, and then the other, I set my other at break even, a stop at break
And it
even,
stopped you out?
and it stopped out on that push up, and now it's selling off, dude.
Bro, this is fucked up.
At least I
Alright.
took some profit, but that was a weak ass trade.
That was so weird. Yeah. That was a lot of buying pressure.
We bounced
Just
like right
all of a
off.
sudden.
Yeah, right off 426. Dude, it's the whole numbers
Look at
every time.
this. Oh my
Of
God, I'm gonna
course.
lose my shit. I'm gonna lose my shit.
Dude,
bro.
look
I'm
at
gonna
this.
lose my shit. I'm gonna lose my shit.
As soon as I got out,
Bro, I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm not even in the fucking trade. I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm not even in this trade. I'm gonna
as
lose my shit.
soon as I got out. Look at this,
Nah,
bro.
bro.
All right, well, I'm out, dude. It hit my target at the low of the day right there.
We gotta start hitting. We're gonna start hedging your positions for you. So we're like,
Dude, I'm
whenever you
so
get out of
salty.
something, we get
Look
this-
at this
Oh,
shit, dude.
no,
Look at this
bro.
shit, bro. I can't do it.
No, 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 no. They're watching you. Nah, they're watching
I
you.
gotta stop streaming, bro.
No.
The market makers are eating me
They're
up.
watching you. Yeah, they don't want to see you. Nah, bro.
Are you serious
No.
right now?
No, they don't want to see you win, man. That's foul. That's foul play, like to the 10th degree.
That is dirty. They did me real
you know
dirty.
What's crazy? You know what's crazy? Spy is moving before Apple moves now.
Look at this shit. All right, well,
my
I have just not been on my game. I'm gonna head off.
I'm sorry, Ryan, man.
I'm out ski.
Take it easy. Get that coffee though, man. Drink that coffee.
I'm so salty, fellas.
Get some good food, man.
The
That always
move,
helps.
the move that I wanted right at. I mean, I'm up on the day, but it's so minuscule compared to what it should have been.
That was like a matter of like milliseconds, I think. I don't think it was a full like. Wait, there was some news that popped up. Oh, no, it's nothing.
I was just watching it. I was like, dude, there's no way I'm gonna take a loss here. So I set my stop loss to break
at
even.
It, look at it. Oh my god. That is heartbreaking. Josh, you're up, right?
I
Okay.
held. I mean, I sold off already.
Okay, you took your profit.
I took my profit. Yeah, I mean, because I think it's going to turn around back here. I mean, there's no way that we're just going to keep taking the sell off at this point. No way.
All right,
It's-
well, fellas, I gotta go. This is
Fuck, take it easy, man.
yeah. I'm about to.
Really.
I don't even know what I'm about to do. Fuck, go to church or
I'll-
something. That shit hurts.
I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Then.
All right,
All right,
peace.
later, boys.
I'm still so salty, dude.
Oh, dude, that makes me so sad.
I can't believe it.
throw
Look
up.
at this shit, dude. It's just
Oh,
dropping out of the sky. I would have made like,
You would have been a lot. Yeah, that
Dude,
would've
I
been
would be up
chunky.
I would be up almost 100% from my
Josh would
entry,
be
dude.
too. Yeah, Josh would literally be up so much.
I would have almost doubled from my entry. Oh my god, dude. Oh, I hate this shit so much, dude. After yesterday and then a day like today, I'm fucking heated. Whatever.
Bro,
All right, we're
All
back.
right,
We're
what's-
back tomorrow.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, have a good one, man.
Uh,
Later.